Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4. Introduce our group members. My name is Nabila Oktaviani.
My name is Miftahul Rafa Ardianti Priyadi.
My name is Ratu Eka Lintang.
My name is Salsa Bila.
My name is Sani Claranel.
Next. What do you think about self-love? In this time, we will discuss about what self-love is, why self-love is important, what are some examples, and some of the benefits of self-love.
What is definition of self-love? Self-love is loving yourself, but it doesn't mean loving yourself with all your desires. Self-love requires you to treat and accept yourself well and as you are. Loving yourself in this discretion is how you can accept your situation and optimize the potential that is in it, both advantage and disadvantage. Some reason why self-love is so important. The first one, you find that nobody else can determine your worth. It's easy to place value on clothes, groceries, and other such items. Consequently, it's even easier for society to do so to people. Fortunately, living yourself gives you the opportunity to self-reflect. In doing so, you begin to feel a weight lifted for your shoulders as you come to the consolation that you're priceless, no matter the monetary value that others may have placed on you. The second one, you gain confidence in who you are. As you find yourself gaining confidence in who you are, in fact, focusing on yourself will help you obtain the self-respect you need the pressing forward. The best part about this is that it allows you to build up your self-esteem in the process.
Third, you'll feel a whole lot happier in life. You no longer have to worry about whether or not someone will be able to love you, because why worry when you can love yourself, right? After you've learned to do that, you'll find yourself feeling a whole lot happier. Much of this will stem from living without the unnecessary baggage of anxiety as you await or anticipate the approval of others. In other words, where love is, happiness is sure to follow. Fourth, you learn to love others differently than you had before. Oftentimes, we have to learn to love ourselves before we can learn to love others. Fortunately, when you care for yourself, you are able to better care for those around you in a whole new way. Then when a friend or family member is struggling to do the same, you are a lot more likely to be able to coach him or her through it. 5. You will always be encouraged by the love you have for yourself. Even when you find yourself having a bad day, you won't easily be swayed by the state that you are in. The love that you have given yourself will serve as well to your fire, encouraging you when you need it the most. The best part about this is that you won't find yourself seeking out the love or affirmation from others via social media or face-to-face contact.
You will begin to assess yourself, always misunderstood, but when you were younger, overlooked, and so on. That's why loving yourself is so must, because if you don't, then unhealed wounds deep beneath it. Loving yours, the surface helps them to faster. Assessment prevent this, but the secret is that I can come from other, it has to come from you. Once you don't, so you find the time from the past can no longer hurt your excellent, the love that you have for yourself. You will again gain a sense of independence. After a while, I'll begin to realize that you don't need anyone else but you. In fact, nobody know you like you do. So why not be your own best friend? In going to so you will gain a sense of independence and be at peace no matter whether you are alone in the company of that one special person of or surrounded by many. We are so quick to believe that being alone is bad things when it's a perfect condition for our growth.
How to how to apply self-love? It's okay to make mistake, to have bad day, to be then perfect, to do what best for you to be yourself. Know yourself. Self-love. Self One. Know yourself. Self-love will only be an expression if you can recognize yourself. Two, stop comparing yourself. Focus on what are your goals and dream in life. Three, don't worry about others people's opinion. Listening too much to other people may actually make you stressed and happy.
How to apply self-love? Remember that remember that no one is perfect. You don't have to feel inferior in why. 5. Make discussion with conditions. You don't have to hesitate to listen to her. 6. Recognize her fear. First should not be avoided because it's very natural and human feeling. 7. Take care of your body. Self-love is not only about assessing yourself, but also giving your best.
Four, four aspects of self-love. 1. Self-awareness. 2. Self-worth. 3. Self-esteem. 4. Self-care.
Benefit of self-love. Now that we know how to develop self-love, we must dig deeper into the benefits of self-love. I hope you will agree that there are some awesome side effects. 1. More kindness. More kindness is the first major benefit of self-love that comes to mind. When you love yourself, it's much easier to be kind to others as well. You are more at peace with yourself. You are happier and more content with your life, and it comes out in all your interaction. 2. More confidence. More confidence is a natural benefit of self-love. When you love yourself and generally like how you are, you become more comfortable in your own skin. You how you are and you don't beat yourself up over little mistakes. You take the time to take care of yourself so that you look and feel your best. 3. Enjoying alone time. How do you like spending time alone? Some people hate it, but others enjoy it. If you worry all the time when you are alone and have no confidence in yourself or your ability to handle life, being alone will be scary. You have confidence in your abilities and you are free to do whatever pleases you. 4. Stronger motivation. With confidence in yourself and trust in your abilities. Also comes stronger motivation and courage to pursue your goals with more self-love and self-regard. You stop being scared to pursue your dreams.
5. More resilience. Just like confidence is a natural benefit of self-love, so is more resilience. You develop the ability to look at yourself and move forward. This allows you to become more resilient in the face of setbacks. 6. Healthier choice. When you love someone, you want to take care of them. That's why healthier choices are yet another benefit of self-love. You start to develop healthier habits because you place value on yourself. 7. Less anxiety and stress. The last benefit of self-love that I want to mention is less anxiety and stress. Our brain's neural pathway become more closely wired together the more we use a particular path, and then help you to stop taking things personally. I have always had a tendency to take things personally. It has gotten easier as I have come to feel more comfortable being me and have learned to love myself more. Forgiveness for others comes more easily when you realize that how they treat you is a direct reflection of how they feel about themselves.
Consequence of self-love. Self-love might not be easy for some people. Accepting and respecting yourself something takes time and a long process. Loving yourself is not something that suddenly happens. You need to work on it. Loving yourself will get a number of benefits that are good for you and thus around you. You can be free from social burdens because you will not compare yourself with other people's lives. You will also have plenty of time to care of yourself. So you can become healthier physical and mentally. Thank you. Thank, thank you.
Here's that we can say, hopefully it's useful for you guys.